Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Dennis. So today we're going to be going over Vankyo's Alpha X150 wireless earbuds. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and it has noise cancellation. Has a couple of extra sets of earbuds. We'll get it out of the box. We'll go through all the parts, see what it looks like, and see how they work. Well, all the details. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to get it out of the box. So we got our Vankyo wireless earbuds. Very small package. Get it out here. We're going to see what else is in the box. Very small package. You can see how you just wrapped a little bit of cellophane. We'll get that out in just a second. And I don't think there's much else in the box. You got a little thing here. Basically, that's all your instructions, everything like that. We'll get that out. Okay, so we just get this out of here. And let's see what we got inside. So in here we have a little bag. And inside here, I do believe... Okay, so inside our bag, we have our charging cord. Okay, so USB charging cable. So USB Type-C to charge it up. And the only thing else that was in the box is basically your user manual, how to wear them, wash them, clean them, all that kind of good stuff. And a little bit more direction on pairing the earbuds, stuff like that. So it's always good to know. Let's unwrap it. And let's see what we got. So basically what this happens is when it's inside here, it's going to charge and it's going to hold a charge for a while. And that's our little package. All right, so of course it's Vankyo. And how do we get this out? Let's have a look here. Oh, so little box. If you notice that, if you push this, it lit up for just a second. See how that's lighting up? And I'll bet you there's a bit of a charge inside this. So I'm going to put it on and we're going to find out just how big, just how much charge is actually in it. So something to point out is when you've got your earbuds, okay, so that's what they look like right here. This is what your earbuds look like. Okay, you got your left and right, of course. When it's in the box, there's only one way to put them in. Okay, it just slides in. Goes down, and as soon as it's in, you close it up, it'll start charging. And on the bottom, you can see where your USB Type-C is going to plug in for charging it up. Very simple. I like the little button here that lights up. As soon as you open it up, you can tell what's going on. So let's find out some more details. Well, something I almost missed is this little packet. All right, so it's got your different size of earbuds inside it. So we'll have a quick look at that as well. So here's everything we have on our case. So again, the user manual, the box that it came in, charging case, your charging cable, different size earbuds. So if this one doesn't fit, there's a couple of smaller one, a couple bigger one. So it'll fit everybody. These are wireless, Bluetooth, and noise canceling, which I find is a great feature. And we're going to try them on and see how they work. So a couple other things just to mention is they come fitted with the medium size, of course, and then it has the smaller and the larger. Just because most people are going to probably use the medium, but if you need the smaller, it comes with that, and if you need the larger, well, you've got that too. This little button that I kind of like is the reset button. All right, so just so you're aware of that. Before you use it, first thing to do is to make sure you fully charge the charging case and the earbuds before using it for the first time. Okay, your indicator, okay, so your little button here, okay, there's a little dot just above the reset. So that little dot will pulse red when it's 0 to 9%, it pulses blue when it's 10 to 99%, and solid blue when it's 100%. So the opening slot's right here, so it just opens up. So you put the earbuds in, it's only going to go in one way, like I say. When it's all the way in, it'll make a connection. There's little pins in the bottom. You just have to set it in there, really. Okay, set them both in. Okay, both sides. Pretty simple to figure out. Nothing really complicated about it. Even tells you, when you're looking at it, it even tells you if it's left or if it's right. Plug that in, charge it up, and you'll be good to go. Now, it says that you could charge it with this to the proper adapter. Now, it doesn't come with an adapter. because really you can just use the USB to charge it up. So when that little light on your charging case, when it's fully charged, that light will just turn off. Okay, so we've got our charging case and we want to make sure that we can pair it. So it pairs with Bluetooth, of course. It has Bluetooth 5.0. You have to have at least Bluetooth 4.2 to be able to use the pairing feature on it. Okay, and it has noise canceling 8.0, so CVC 8.0. All right, so here's our case, our charging case. Earbuds are inside. They'll last for, it takes about an hour to an hour and a half to charge them to full. They will turn on, okay? Once you open the case, okay, they'll just automatically start turning on. And when you put them back in the case, they'll turn off, okay? When you're using them, the Bluetooth, if it's nothing's detected, so I'll say you fell asleep, 5 minutes after no detection is that it's being used, it will power off, turn right back on once you start using it again. Now, if for any reason something goes wrong with it, that's what this reset button is. Hold that reset button for 10 seconds and it'll reset everything and everything should start working correctly should you have a problem. So, Bluetooth pairing, okay? So when we open the case, they're going to power on, and there's little, on the very top, they're very tiny. You have to look for the LED indicator. On one, it's going to flash red and blue, and the other one's going to flash blue about every 9 seconds. And you will hear, once you connect it to your Bluetooth, something telling you it's successful. So basically, you have to make sure that whatever device you're connecting to is turned, the Bluetooth is turned on, and you will see it pop up and say connect to Alpha X150. Click it, connect to it, it'll pair, and once you know it'll pair, if it's paired correctly, you will get a voice prompt that will say connected to the Alpha X150 if it's successful. If you don't get that, well, try again. Here's something interesting. It says right here, peel off. Now, I'm assuming the reason that's there is because the connector, in order for them to charge and everything to work, has to come off. And that's exactly what it is. So even though I had these for an hour and thought they were charged, the charge is coming from the case. So if you don't take that off, you're not going to make your connection in the case, and it's not going to be done. So I'll take that off, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to peel this off on the bottom. Okay, so make sure this comes off. It's just a little piece of plastic. So I'm going to pop that in. And once it's popped in, now I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, it's flashing different colors in here. So when you're going to pair it, it's going to do that for 9 seconds. So let's see if I can, yep, so I'm going to see if you can see that. It's flashing blue and red on one, right? And the other one should be flashing blue every 9 seconds. And once you connect it to your Bluetooth, turn your Bluetooth on your device, whether it be your phone, computer, laptop, whatever it is, and it'll work. Fitting them in your ear, this is the one on the right, just simply goes in. Yeah, it fits quite well. Put the other one on. You can feel it as soon as it's in. My voice sounds loud because it's canceling everything in the background out. So that's kind of nice. You'll feel it once it's in. You'll feel if it's in there right. Okay, does it come out? So if it was going to come out, that would have made them fall out, just as a demonstration. So now it says it won't connect to more than one device at a time, which is fine. But I've had some of these before, and all you need to do is take the device, pair it. When you're done, you can take that. Now you're going to have to disconnect that device from your system in order to pair it to something else. So it's a whole process, but if you want to do that, unpair it to whatever device you were using it with, go to the next device and just set them up on that. and you shouldn't have any issues with that. It should be pretty straightforward. Because I plan to use these with my Oculus Quest, because then I have wireless sound with the mic. I don't know if it'll pick up the mic or not. I'll find out. And then I can use them, have the sound come in from here. You'll get better sound than just having the headset itself, although it is pretty good. And I can use them with that. So I'm going to pair it with those and see how it works. And once I've done that, then I'll know if these, when I open the case, still have the flashing indicators. All right, everybody. So I've done a few more experiments with it, with the headset. Of course, when it's in here, it's charging, take it out, turns on, all that kind of good stuff. One of the things I found out, because I wasn't sure, like the alternating red and blue, and then the 9 seconds for the blue and the other earbuds, when it's doing the pairing thing. So once you've paired it to a device, that doesn't do that anymore. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'll just put it here just in case. So what happens is it's now no longer in pairing mode unless you've disconnected it from that computer. So in which case then it does go back to pairing mode for looking to connect to a device. So I was able to use it on my Oculus Quest. I was able to use it on my laptop, and both work perfectly fine. Sound quality is amazing. Yes, I know these were provided to me, but I've had another set of earbuds recently. They can't even compare. These are top notch. The bass was really strong, so you could pick up sounds that I never even heard before when I was up on my Quest. And same thing when I was on my laptop. I have headphones, but there was things that these picked up that the headphones didn't. So overall, great product, works good. Yeah, so if you have any questions or is anything I didn't include or I left out, let me know. But if you like this video, hit that like. Helps me out a lot. If you don't, you know what to do to let me know what you think, or if you have a question or anything like that. So, when you're looking for a product and you talk about earbuds, you get what you pay for when you get the right one sometimes. So this one, this gets a really high recommendation from me. And I don't do that very many times. There's only a couple products that I've actually recommended highly. I recommend these highly. So anyway, hit the video. Hope you like it. Hope it teaches you something about them. And hit that bell for future notifications for other videos as they come up. If you're new here, think about subscribing. And thank you very much once again for watching. Take care.